Hey everybody, we are over at Kensington and we're super excited. We're on site with Don Poirier as usual, our construction manager. But today he's taking us behind the scenes so we get to see what's going on in the mechanical penthouse slash boiler room slash Don's going to explain the rest. So here's Don.
Thank you, Chelsea. This is one of my most exciting times of the project here. We're getting ready to start up our boilers soon, our hot water tanks, our chiller units, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting to show everybody what is kind of behind the scenes. I know in past videos we've talked about HRVs, we've talked about fan coil units, but we've never really talked about where the heart of the building is, what supplies all of that equipment. So if you come with me, I will show you what we're doing in here.
All right.
Okay, over to my right, you see these two units here. These are A.O. Smiths. These are high efficiency hot water tanks. This is what supplies the building with its domestic hot water for showers and sinks and all that kind of fun stuff. These two units right here, this is the heart of the building. These are our boiler units. Each one of these units puts out somewhere between 1.4 to 1.6 million BTUs of energy. Our entire hot water system, which flows through all of the fan coil units that we saw in past videos, comes from here. These units will heat the water up when a demand is required. And the way that the demand works is by people turning on the thermostat, which opens up valves, which allows flow to start moving through. If you follow me over here, on a day like today, which is almost 31 degrees out, this is a very important part. These units right here are our pumps. These are the pumps specifically for the air conditioning chiller unit. What we have here is we have 4 pumps. They're called VFDs, which is variable frequency drive. These pumps will ramp up on demand and ramp down when there is no demand. It's a means of energy savings. So as we start to cool the building down, everything flows through these pumps right here. What else? To my left, again, more pumps. These are the pumps that push the hot water for the building's heat system through the building. This is what circulates all of that heating water throughout all the fan coil units and the force flows and all that stuff downstairs. The last unit I want to show you guys here is on the roof. So directly behind me, this brown unit is our air conditioning chiller unit. This unit here is what pumps all of the chilled water through the building, which gives you guys air-conditioned units. Some of the things that we do as a company, as Bucci, is focus on our sound attenuation issues, so vibrations and noises and stuff like that. And a lot of the equipment that you just saw in the mechanic room, they create a lot of noise and a lot of vibrations. And what we do to fix that, or to try and minimize that, is we put the devices on spring isolators. So Chelsea, if you come over here, I'll show you how this works. This entire unit sits off of big springs. And there's 3 different types of springs on this unit here. Each spring compresses at a different weight capacity. So as you can see, and I'll give it a little shake here, the whole unit, just by one hand, can move. And what that does is, as the unit starts to shake because of its mechanical equipment, it doesn't shake the building itself. It doesn't translate down into the units below. So that is the roof.
Awesome. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Share the view a little bit here too.